Right, so I am here in my kitchen, and just to show that I don't just write books about Liverpool and the American Civil War, I also um, make scrambled eggs in a microwave. I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I think it's better with a little bit of oil. You can do it without oil, of course, but I think a little bit of oil does help. Probably about maybe a teaspoon or something like that. So eggs have been cracked in there. Give them a good whisk. So just about that consistency. Take your old microwave, pop aforesaid eggs in microwave, close, and you want to put it on for about no more than, I would say, 30 seconds on full power. Okay, so I'm just going to stop the microwave at 30 seconds. Take it out. And you can already see it's sort of starting to form. Give it another little whisk. This is quite important because you want the eggs to be consistent, not so much souffled. Pop them back in and then continue. Okay. Take the eggs out, and you can see there that they're actually somewhere between runny and consistent, which is my preference. If you want them a little bit firmer, of course you can put them in for a bit longer. If you like them really runny, then I'd suggest around 50 seconds as opposed to 1 minute in total. But the important thing is after 30 seconds, take them out, give them a little bit of a whisk, and away you go. There you have your scrambled eggs. All right, so there we have it. Pop a little bit of rock salt on to taste if you like, bit of black pepper, and then save. Yeah, just call me Nigella. Oh, and yeah, buy my book, Water Street. Thank you.